I'm Mick. Welcome back to my first video and first vlog. We told you guys in my previous K60 frame first in this camera and my phone. So no editing, GoPro Hero10 Black, no cut, because if I come directly from my phone and I want my home rooftop and live in Dhaka City, Bangladesh, 6th floor, so using my GoPro Volta, Shahjalal Internet Volta tripod, GoPro Volta that I bought and check out the unboxing video. Bluetooth connectivity, using in the Bluetooth mode is every time to the button and turning it. Volta and GoPro Hero. It's almost 5 minutes and the GoPro Volta grip. So hope you guys like it. It's a one-shot video, so I don't know the plants, rooftop garden, and this is our garden in my. You guys can see like all those buildings have rooftop garden. It's like everyone is doing their bit to fight the global. Trying to do a review of my GoPro Hero10 Black and my GoPro Hero10 Black in the highest. Please like and share my videos when you guys watch it and channel, and see you guys in the next one.